Howdy everyone, Kaz from EssentialOilsWithKaz.com. I'm going to share with you today a beautiful essential oil called lemon. And this is one of the ones that I would probably use a bottle of lemon oil every month. And that might sound surprising, but I absolutely love my lemon oil. I use it in so many different ways. So I thought I'd share some of the ways that you can use lemon oil. It might inspire you to pull out your lemon and just enjoy it some more. So I'm just going to also, as I'm talking, share with you how the applications of the essential oils. So with my lemon, just for a beautiful quick uplift or even just for focus or anxiety, I just put it into my hand, just a little drop, and I rub my hands together, cup my hands and inhale. Oh, I can just feel that going straight through my nasal, and it just is cleansing out all the emotions. Believe it or not, it's a beautiful cleansing, uplifting, invigorating oil. Now, practicality-wise, what you can do with lemon is there's so many things, and why I go through so much of it, I use it to clean my countertops, and I might make myself a little spray, like this one is for windows, but I use a little spray bottle, and I put about 20 drops of lemon oil in the bottom of that, top that up with some water. You could add a tiny bit of white vinegar, and I use that as my countertop spray, and it cost me about $1. I mean, that is so amazing, and just when I'm using that, I just enjoy the aroma like I have on my hands. It's beautiful. I mop my floor with it. I just do so many things with lemon. The other thing I love about using citrus oils, and lemon is a great one, first thing when I get up in the morning, I actually add it to a glass of warm water, and I just alkalize my system after fasting through the night. And it's just a really great one for doing that, and you can have that in your water anytime. And in a glass of water, I probably put about a drop, sometimes 2, but it is intense. Remember, essential oils are very potent and very strong, 50 to 60 times stronger than the herb. So drop a little bit in your water and enjoy drinking that. You could also add it to a recipe where it calls for the zest of lemon, and I've done that so many times, and it just is like, wow, amazing in the recipe. So beautiful essential oil called lemon there. Really quick facts on that one. Enjoy your lemon, and shoot me a message, or just let me know if you have any questions on that. Post here if you like, and just put up any questions, or even I'd love to hear how you're using your lemon. That would be awesome. Okay, love to you guys. Mwah.